God bless you. Sister, the way you are dressed is not proper. You are naked. Eh? Your body is a temple of God. You should dress the way you want to be addressed. This is not nice. Honestly. You are blessed. My church is there. I don't know if you don't mind, we could just enter and fellowship together. God bless you.
Brother. Please come. Brother, I am touched by the words you just said.
You see?
You're a good person. I am not proud that I am dressed like this. I am not proud at all. Please, I'll just give you money to just drop in the offering box in your church for me.
No problem, no problem. God bless you.
Just hold on. It's like you're sweating. Let me help you clean. You've been walking under this weather.
No problem, thank you.
Thank you. Don't forget to drop the money.
No problem. You are blessed.
O amor,
it is what it is.
Iju amor, onekanga koro. Chukwu kike,